So before we begin, my name is Mohammed Soeib. I made this channel to provide free education for everyone who's interested in aviation because I understand that ground classes could be really costly and not everyone is able to afford them. So this is just my take and giving back to the community. I hope you really enjoy the videos and I hope you stay and subscribe. So today we are going to start with departure. So what is departure? Departure is the difference between two longitudes on a particular latitude. अब इसका मतलब क्या है? Two longitudes on a particular latitude. So for example, this is my Earth, and here I am, और ये मेरा plane है, and this is point A to point B. मुझे यहाँ से यहाँ पर जाना है. So the distance traveled would be my departure. Now there is one simple formula which you need to by heart. That is, departure is equal to change in longitude in minutes into cos lat theta. Hopefully you know about longitudes and latitudes. If not, don't worry. I'll do a quick recap. So the Earth is divided into two segments longitudinally, that is the east and the west. Now, Earth has 180 longitudes on the east and the same 180 on the west. So in total it comes out to be 360. Now coming on to latitudes, this horizontal line which divides Earth into two segments, that is the north and the south. Now if you want to figure out the value of a latitude, this is how we do it. So if we want to figure out the value of this latitude, then we draw a line through that and connect the line with the center and figure out the angle between this and this. So it comes out to be maximum at the poles when the value is 90 degree, or the angle between the latitude and the equator is 90 degree, and the minimum value for latitude would be at the equator. So this was the basics. Getting back to the topic, the formula for departure is change in longitude into cos lat theta. Now, as I've denoted already, change in longitude should be in minutes. If not, then you have to multiply it by 60 for the conversion. Also, if latitudes are alag, then this is how you figure it out. You take the mean of both the latitudes. Now you'll wonder, how do you take the mean? So this is how the mean is. It is the sum of two different latitudes divided by 2. So for example, my first latitude is 45 and my second is 49. So we'll add these, it will come out to be 94. Yeah, 94. And divided by 2. That is 47. That would be my mean latitude. Now there are some things which you need to remember. As you have noticed, the Earth is a sphere, or more specifically, it is called as an oblate sphere. And as you see, as you go higher towards the poles, the distance between the longitudes are minimizing. So even though they're on the same longitudes, the difference between them both would be different because there are different latitudes. So that is what you need to remember. Same distance at equator takes more longitudes at higher latitude. Simplifying that, it basically means even if you travel same longitudes, if the latitudes are different, then the distance between the 2 points would be different due to the curvature of the Earth. And with that, we end this lecture. I hope. See, this is how you know. This is how it is clearly denoting a difference in departure. That is the difference between the two longitudes. And with that, we'll end this lecture. Next lecture, we will start convergency, but before that, we'll also do sums regarding departure. Also, अगर आपने अभी सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, then be sure to subscribe and share this channel with your friends. See you in the next lecture, guys.